fun was it to work with Bilal and Hania though?
It's been great, honestly, so far. You get to learn again a lot.
Both award-winning actors.
They're both
fantastic.
great.
Yeah.
And I don't have a lot of scenes with Hania because my track is mostly with Bilal.
इस weekend तो बहुत scenes आए हैं हानिया
वो
के
तो
साथ.
है. Yeah, but like, you know, little tidbit, but nothing of that sort where I would, mostly it's just with Bilal's side and my track is with him. But again, it's been a pleasure. Like, again,
Okay,
he's
tell us
such a nice...
what is Bilal's method of acting on set? What does he do on set? Because he never talks about it. We want to know it from you who have worked so
He
closely.
hasn't spoken about that with me either. He's such a... Like, I feel like he's a very dedicated actor and he's a very private person. And so, like, you know, he'll want his own separate space. And he'll like 5 minutes before the scene, he'll like, okay, if it's, you know, we'll do our lines and we'll go discuss things with Musaddiq and then we'll do the scene. But I know one thing, that he always wants to know what scenes we're shooting the next day or like according to schedule, जो कि वो भेजते हैं. But अक्सर ये ऐसा होता है कि कोई पूरे में बहुत छोटे छोटे ऐसे scenes होते हैं and then कोई एक बहुत intense scene होगा तो बोलेगा ये नहीं करेंगे आज. You know, because you need to be in a different mindset.
Zone, yeah.
In a different zone and everything. So he's like, no, but ये मैं अभी zone में नहीं हूँ तो ये नहीं अभी कर सकते. But I think he really like prepares and he does like learns the lines and he knows where he's coming from and like वो किस तरीके से क्या लगेगा screen पे. Obviously because all of his dramas have been hit, mashallah se, and you know he does his own thing.
As a stylist, do you approve of his wardrobe as Kamyar?
Yeah, most places. Some places I would say, you know, we could have gone like in the start. Abhi, when he's so much focused on work and understand he's that is fine. I know in the start when he was this playboy party guy, I know, you know, there's stuff that we could have done differently.
Right.
But then again, these guys started shooting way before me and like, you know, a lot of stuff was already shot. और मुझे mostly इतने scenes नहीं पता चलते हैं because the actors, we just get our track, like our lines and our scenes and stuff. So again, if you ask me, if you want to get any gossip from me, I won't be able to give you because मुझे आगे कभी नहीं पता. Like, you know, even like some teasers or whatever.
I never want to know the story. I'm happy watching it. I never want to know the story.
Yeah.
I'm already interested in the process. I'm interested in the process. Were you involved in the styling or the costume for anybody, the wardrobe for anybody? No, just for your own.
Just for myself.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Like obviously there were some scenes where like let's say Musaddiq would ask me कि अगर like you know character है तो क्या होगा, and I would send references.
Right.
But nothing like I haven't done anything for anybody like that or like you know procuring stuff. Like मैं अपना ही कर लेती थी बहुत था. But yeah.
But I like the way everybody's turned out. It's it's close to character.
Yes.
Nobody's really like, you know, I love Falak's wardrobe is really nice.
Yeah. Because she's got a character. She like wears a lot of ajrak and prints.
I love
her
her shoes, her sandals, you know. All that is it's very Falak.
Yeah.
The same with Hania. I think she really knows how to put her character together.
Yeah.
And the same with Bilal. I mean, now that he's a corporate person,
he's like
are very well
proper,
tailored.
Absolutely. The high-waisted pants and the gurkha pants and the belts and like he's just
absolutely, he does that.
So
well.
He does, and he carries things well, and even so does Hania. Like anything you put her into, like she'll get into that character.
Absolutely.
So I think that's what matters the most.
There's attention to detail.
Yes.
And of course your character as well.
Yeah.
वो लगता है, you to have fit into the role like, perfectly, you know. Because I always feel that when you're bringing in like this kind of a character, she needs to look and sound right.
Yeah.
And if she doesn't, then it just becomes off.
Yeah.
You know, but she looks and sounds right.
Because then again, our masters be like, you know, ये तो ऐसे बोल ही नहीं रही. इनको अभी भी खैर, a lot of people are saying, but again, I'm just like, you know, because I was told by somebody once that I don't have. You can cut this if you want to. But you know, somebody told me once that I don't have a traditional drama face.
Yeah.
Like it's, you know, like it's.
What is a traditional drama face?
I don't know. They said.
Why would we cut it? I mean,
this is the question that I asked them, and they said, "Oh, you know, like gold shakal, gori, and you know, like badi aankhein, there's that, like whatever, like masoom looking, jo jinse aap rone dhone wale scenes, sad scenes, or you know, like that was the description that somebody would give for somebody to be a drama face, and I was like, okay. तो मैंने कभी उसमें सोचा ही नहीं था कि कि करना है नहीं करना, but yeah, it's, you tell me, do you have like, what do you think of my character? Like, I know, like,
No, I actually like your character. I actually don't find the character annoying. I think it adds a lot of dimension. I like the character.
Yeah.
And I like the fact. What my problem is with the stereotyping, because it's always the modern girl who will walk out with the champagne and who's smoking and who's wearing Western, who will be the homebreaker, the vixen, the third, all of that. मेरा वो है कि थोड़ा सा हम stereotype कर देते हैं. I have no problem with the character. I mean, she has been with him for the longest time.
And I think उसमें भी आपको बहुत, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत, like, I'm also very scared, like, I don't want to be typecasted, like, in the future roles, because लोग बोलेंगे, oh, she's done this so well, so maybe, like, this is...
I would want people to feel some empathy for Faria as well, because
they are.
She is struggling with her mother.
Yeah.
And she is struggling with her relationship with her mother.
Yeah.
She does have abandonment issues.
Yeah.
Those are evident. So I would like for people to feel a little empathy for her as well.
So does Kamyar.
Does he? अभी तक तो वैसे नहीं इतना, थोड़ा बहुत है.
Like,
now that he's coming into his own,
perhaps
you're seeing that side of him.
Yeah.
But होना चाहिए.
So I was saying that, with Bilal's character, I've also felt like, how even as friends, like somebody, like an audience, somebody messaged that, Bilal should be there for Faria as a friend. Like, Kamyar should be there for Faria as a friend. And because she has been there for him.
Yeah.
But when you see, like, he's emotionally also very unavailable for her. Like, she keeps reaching out to him. Like the scene where she's like, oh, मुझे मम्मा ने कॉल की थी, तुम्हें पता है ना, and all you see him is doing, अच्छा, तो अच्छी बात है. Again, because then this made me feel like, when people talk about, like, oh, you can't force a relationship.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what's happening with these two characters also. That she's trying to really, like, obviously उनके वो cute, sweet moments भी हैं, वो कहते हैं यार मैं sorry और ये वो whatever. But if you flip the sides and you put, let's say, Ira, who he's completely in love with, or वो उसकी छोटी चीज भी होगी ना, कि अगर उसकी चाय में चीनी कम है तो वो चाय में चीनी कम क्यों है? Like, I'm just, like, saying whatever, like, he will want to, like, kind of be there.
Yeah, so it's not that he can't pick up on these things.
Yeah.
He can.
Yeah. So I feel like वो एक ये वाली चीज भी, I don't know, maybe something that Bilal worked on, like in the back of his head or whatever. But I'm seeing it now on screen when I see the episodes. Like, it's actually very, like, it's evident if you see it. जब उसके पास वैसे इस दुनिया का सारा टाइम था, वो आयरा के पास सो भी रहा है उसकी गली में, and जा भी रहा है, and उसको कॉल भी कर रहा है, like, everything. The minute she says अच्छा चाहिए कॉफी पीछे, तो कॉफी भी ले जाता है. And when I ask, he's like, मेरे पास सिर्फ 10 मिनट है.
10 मिनट है.
सिर्फ 10 मिनट?
And I'm asking him, like, can you not delay it? And he's like, I'm sorry. So it's it kind of shows that you can't force relationships.
You can't force relationships. Ironically, though, he's also
but he's backed off now.
Subliminally kind of forcing that relationship.
He did that.
And he's backed off now.
Yeah. Because in the last episode, it was a very nice line where he says, कि हम जिनसे प्यार करते हैं, उन पे conditions नहीं लगा सकते.
हम जिनसे प्यार करते हैं ना, उनके आगे conditions नहीं लगाते हैं.
And he says that to me. It's this conversation that he has with me.
Yeah.
तो वो basically तो अपने उसमें भी वो कह रहा है. But वो मुझे भी ये चीज कह रहा है, because he understands and he knows, like, it's very evident, because my dad tells him कि भाई फारिया को तुमसे इतनी शिकायतें होती हैं, तुम उसको ये वो हर वक्त अपसेट रहती है तुम्हारी वजह से. फर्स्ट सीन जब मैं जाती हूँ, मेरे बाप मुझसे पूछता है कि कामयार से लड़ाई हुई है, तुम सैड हो न्यू ईयर नाइट पे, so that he knows and stuff, but then he's backed out. तो वो अपना भी अपने उसमें भी लाइन्स कह रहा है कि हम जिन पे